In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reconcile your bank account in Zoho Books to ensure your records match your bank statement perfectly. Start by logging into Zoho Books and navigating to the banking module on the left sidebar. Select the bank account you want to reconcile. Accuracy here is key, so pick the correct account. Next, click the gear icon on the top right and select Reconcile account. Set your reconciliation period by entering the start and end dates from your bank statement along with the closing balance. Then click Start Reconciliation. Zoho Books will show a list of transactions for the chosen period. Go through them carefully and match them with your bank statement. If any transaction is missing, click Add Transaction and enter the details. Your goal is to ensure the cleared balance in Zoho Books matches your bank statement. Once everything aligns, click Reconcile to finalize. And that's it. Your bank account is now reconciled, keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching. Happy reconciling.